Once more then I'm done. I'm going back to where I'm from. I'm laying down my roots and I'm saying goodbye to you. Once more then I'm gone. I'm following the sun. I'm leaving today and I'm saying hi to where I'm from. I'm following the sea. I'm heading down. It's taking me away from this old town. Once again I know my way. I'm greeted with every wave. I'm saying hi to where I'm from. I'm back on these familiar streets. Home again, finding my feet. But I know it won't take long, 'cause I'm back where I belong. One more thought, now I'm gone. I'm finally back to where I'm from. I've laid down my roots and I've said goodbye to you. I'm going back to Austin. It's my place in the sun. I'm going back to Austin. It's my place in the sun. I'm going back to Austin just to see everyone. Saw Pine Top play on 6th Street and Nuno's bar down there. Headed over to Antone's. This night was a blur. And now I'm going back to Austin. I headed out to Zilker Park just to see the bands. Big screens and stage lighting, in the air a million hands. And now I'm going back to Austin. I'm going back to Austin. It's my place in the sun. I'm going back to Austin. It's my place in the sun. I'm going back to Austin just to see everyone. On Congress Avenue Bridge, I saw a million bats. At Stevie Ray Vaughan's statue, that's where I laid my hat. And now I'm going back to Austin. In Wild About Music, I checked out all the goods. Soon as I saw this city, I fell in love. And now I'm going back to Austin. I'm going back to Austin. It's my place in the sun. I'm going back to Austin. It's my place in the sun. I'm going back to Austin just to see everyone.
Nice.